yesterday we had a bullish breakout and we went on to hit a bullish target, guys. So the question today is what are we going to do next? So today, guys, it's same. The yesterday's breakout area is acting as support, and as long as, guys, this area acts as support, which is 1.322222, we are bullish, guys. And my first target would be very near, guys, which is 1.32517. But I would push it a bit higher because, guys, I want target to make some money. And guys, my next target would be first target would be 1.32651, and guys, next target would be 1.32907. Guys, the AI will be back soon because I'm almost about to push it to the Play Store. So, I've been keeping it on the low side because I've been working on it. So it will be back soon, guys. The issue is it takes quite a bit of time to do an analysis from 1 to 5 minutes, guys. So I'm working on that. How to decrease the time because I can, of course, easily decrease the time. I have no issue, but that would reduce the results drastically and the consistency of the AI because I'm not using actual prompts. I've trained an AI on my own data. It's a custom-made model, so uh, I use that basically. So I don't have to give it any prompt. It knows what it has to do. So it takes a bit of time for it to run. And of course, I don't have an high-end server which on which I can host it myself. So I'm using someone else's. So all those complications, guys, it and that's why it's taking time. So, anyways, guys, if we break below 1.32222, guys, we will be going for 1.31827. So this is my analysis for today, guys. I guess the daily chart. Let me take a look. Yep, a bit of consolidation on the 4H, consolidation as well. So why not, guys? So take care, guys. Hope you guys make money trading this pair, and see you guys tomorrow.